If I can get the on Bowser, pause. Oh, there we go. That. Oh. What's up, everybody? Captain Outchea here, and today we're about to play some Super Smash. You already know. It's been a little minute, man, but I've been enjoying this game a lot. Like, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't have all the characters yet, so like my overall goal is to unlock all the characters. Let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and use Yoshi. It's been a little minute. If I had to choose a main, honestly, like starting out, I would say Kirby, but like I'm starting to like use more people, and that list is building. I just need to unlock everybody, but yeah, like so far, I've really been enjoying this game. You know, it just feels. I think, like honestly, this is the first like Smash game. I played all the Smash games, but this is like the first Smash game that I ever actually like purchased for myself. So this was pretty fun. I ain't even gonna lie, but yeah, this is just like I'm not gonna sit here and say I'm a pro at it because I'm not, but I'm learning. I haven't even stepped foot online yet, and I'm honestly not even ready for that kind of smoke yet. Like I said, out of all, I probably explained all the fighting games that I'm like solid at. I gotta get right with this one though. But yeah, kind of just going through. I set my intensity up like a little higher than normal just to see, but yeah, this is nuts. Freaking Ridley surprisingly doesn't get on my nerves like I thought he would. Like, I actually do think Ridley is pretty okay. Okay, let me see. I just hope this turtle doesn't do anything crazy. Oh, nope. Oh, dang, caught me. I'm trying to like master the tricks with Yoshi too. Like, I always thought like when I first started playing, like I thought Yoshi was gonna be my go-to, but it ended up being Kirby. But I'm trying to like adjust and use everybody at least once. Well, I kind of have to. Oh snap! Oh snap! Wait! Come! Ooh. Yeah, I gotta get used to everybody because like I want to use everybody. Well, I kind of have to use everybody at least once if I want to unlock all the characters. But yeah, so far I'm really enjoying this. Not so much the fact that Ridley won't freaking go away, but you know, working on it. Right, come on. I just need the right. Oh. I think he's stuck. Let him struggle for a little minute. Hey, there we go. Meet. Yeah, I was about to say, he come back with the special and just like hit it on me, like pause, like nah, I'm not here for that. Okay, yeah, he's stuck. He can't even get it. I just enjoy watching this, like the yeah, I was getting kind of bored, low key. Okay, all right. Who we got next? We have King K. Rool. All right. He kind of annoying too. Let's see. Oh yeah, I hate this stage so much because of that freaking, like, that World of Light mode. I've been playing that too, and the one thing that I hate is like getting under there and then the water just like take you out of the ring. It's just like, come on, yo. All right, I gotta try not to get. Come on, cut. No. Well, it's gone, and it's gone. All right. Trying to catch. He good at blocking too. Like, he's one of those people that like, yeah, he used the gut reflex. I don't like it. Okay, come on. Nah, no. Nah. All right, now you done messed up. I hate that. Like, just how you take off flying like immediately. All right, get on in now. Get on in there. You are okay. Me. Okay, come on. Nah, I'm just having fun. Ain't even gonna try to get the ultimate smash just yet. Even though this fool might try to get it. Trying to get him out of here before he does. Oh, what was that? Alright, alright. Alright, that's enough. What? A lot of these stages I have issues with. I think it's like one stage and ooh, if you would have took off, I think it's one stage that I got an issue with. I'm gonna talk more about that later because it's in World of Light and I have yet to beat it. I'm gonna like probably record that next just to see because it's one particular thing that no. All right, you know what? Let me get in my zone real quick because I'm talking too much. I'm going off on tangents galore. All right. Come on. Hey, this fool's smooth out of here. Yeah, I was at wit's end with that stage. All right, moving on. Oh, okay. We got. All right, we got the whole Bowser family here, pretty much. All right, I'm finna drop everybody off. I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to like consistently do that. Like that move. If I can just get everybody with that, like, all right. At this point, I'm just mink. Come here, mink. All right. All the minks. Oh, you two, you ain't slick. Come on. Oh no, mink. These little things that keep on blocking them from getting like the full mink treatment. There we go. Mink. Oh. See the I like Sonic because he just be gone the whole time. And the music hard with it too. Yeah, see. I hate this stage just because you never know when the car's coming, but boy, when you do, it's about to be when they don't come, it's about to be a field day. I'm trying to get to that point. Oh, good. They went up that way. I like this. This is one of my favorite stages, honestly. All right. Make sure that don't blow up. Okay, we're coming. What? All right, maybe I shouldn't be down there. Maybe it's not meant to be. But they come up there too. Oh yeah, when the arrows come, it's like they coming. Oh, right when I landed, they just swoop right on through. All right, I'm done playing. Come here, sir. Come here, Captain Falcon. Courtesy of Captain Outchea. Nope. I'll never let it stay still. God dang. Just stay still. You got that one parent that always told you to stay still because you be moving around all the time, or is that just me? That might just be me. Oh, okay, that could have ended bad. All right. Come on. Oh, now see, he didn't have to do that. Now see, he have to kick me like that. Now I gotta get him a bag now. This one ain't looking so good. All right, I'm getting out of here. I think I had a little too much fun. Best Smash moments. Anyways, till next time. Catch y'all later.